How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. And today we're going to talk about how to find the total and lateral surface area of a square pyramid. Okay? Square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid is going to be the same principle. Okay? So on the previous video, we talked about how to find, you can look at the video on this link right here, which you can talk about how to find the total and lateral surface area of a triangular prism. And then on a previous video to that one, link right there, we can find the area for a box. Okay, so a box, link right there, and the triangular prism, link right there. Okay, or it was on the previous mention. Okay, so in this one we're gonna talk about how to find the area of pyramids. Okay, and it's gonna be the same principle. The base might change. You might have a triangular base, so you will find the base, the area of the base, using the corresponding formula. In this case we have a square, so we are going to go ahead and identify the base real quick. The first thing you do, identify the base right here on the bottom. And if I only have one number on the bottom, that means it's a square. So my base is just a square that measures 6 by 6. So it's just base times height, which is 36. So the area of the base, and I only have one. All pyramids only have one base. Now, my faces. Okay? So this is something, let me go ahead and open this up. So you have a triangle like this. A pyramid like this. This is your base. But if you unfold the net, you have how many faces? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all going to be the same in this case because the base is a square. If it was a rectangle, you will have 4 faces, 2 and 2. Okay, 2 that are going to be the same to each other, and 2 that are going to be a little bit longer to each other. Okay, so things to consider. So in this case, all my faces are going to be the same, and I'm gonna identify them with the other color. So my face is going to be right here. This is one of my triangles, and I said they are all going to be the same. But if you notice, I have a red line, okay? And that line is going to be, let me go ahead and put it right here, a line from this right here along the edge, like if you're sliding down the pyramid, this line right here, okay? So basically, this is going to be the height of this face, okay? So if you open this up and you are only looking at this triangle, the 6 goes right here and the 10 goes right here. So basically base times height. Okay, it's not going through the middle of the pyramid like we talked about. Volume, link in the description, or right there actually on the card. So it's different. So you gotta find the face and draw it on the side. So I'm gonna draw the base on the side, the face, and I know the bottom of it is going to be 6 because it's given to me right there. And the height of it, this height right there is 10. And all of them are the same. So all I gotta do is 1 because I have 4 of them. So times 4. Once you finish, you use times 4. So formula, base times height divided by 2. This is gonna be the area of the base, right? So this is 10 times 6 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2 equals to 30. However, how many bases do I have? Faces do I have? This is not B, this is just A. Sorry about that. I have 4 of them. So 30 times 4 is 120. So all my faces, the area, if I was to wrap this pyramid is sitting on the ground, so I can't wrap or paint or anything to the bottom. All I can do is something to the sides, and this is 120 units square. Okay, so first of all, lateral surface area is going to be 120 units squared. And my total surface area is going to be my lateral surface area plus one base. Why only one? Because all pyramids only have one base. So lateral surface area I have already found. Give me a second, it's lagging. Lateral surface area is 120, it's right there. So all I gotta do is bring that number down. Plus the base, the area of the base, which I found to be, how much? 36? When you add them together, you get 156 units squared. Any questions real quick on that one? Now, I'm gonna show you, not do, just to show you if you had a rectangular pyramid, just in case what the difference is. So let's say this is your rectangle. Okay, let's say this is 3, this is 5. It's right here, the edge. Let's say this is 10, and the actual height of the pyramid, I don't know if you need it, but it's 9, okay? It is 9, the height of the pyramid, from the center of the pyramid all the way to the down, to the bottom. So, let's say this is the base right here, it's a 3 by 5, this is 15, this is the base. Now for my faces, I have triangles that are 10 inches long and the bottom is 5. So now I have how many of those? The one in the front and the one in the back. So I have times 2. And the other one, well, let's say this is the other one is going to be right here on the side. Now that one is going to be 3 also by 10. So you got 2 of those. That one and that one right there. Okay? So you gotta find the area for those two. That's 5 times, this is gonna be 5 times 10. So to find the area for this one, you have 2 bases. That's a 5 by 10 divided by 2. 5 times 10 is 50 divided by 2. This is 25. But you have 2 of them. 25 times 2 equals to 50. This is a 3 times 10, that's 30 divided by 2. This is 15. We have 2 of them. 15 times 2 equals to 30. So my lateral surface area will be 50 plus 30, which is 80 units squared. And my total surface area will be lateral surface area plus the base, which is lateral surface area is 80, and the base I found 15, so the total surface area will be 95 units squared. So the difference between a square and a triangle and a rectangular pyramid is that with the square you're gonna have 2 different faces 2 times. Does anybody have any questions about how to find the lateral or total surface area about a pyramid, square rectangular pyramid? All right, if you learned something today, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it to another 7th grader that might find this interesting or might be able to benefit from it. Share it with the 8th grader, because 8th graders also see this, but they actually use formulas. So this is just a reminder for them. As always, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. That is it for today, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.